Hello people, how are you? I hope you are fine. The main theme of this video is like the newcomers in the perfume business. Those who don't know about the resources of the perfumery world and those who want to establish a perfume business wherever they are living. If they are living in United States, they are living in Canada, they are living in South America, they are living in Europe and different parts of Europe, or they are in Gulf countries and different parts of Gulf countries, or someone in Australia and Asian side and other parts of the world. If they want to start perfume business, I will teach you how to make a perfume. I'll teach you and guide you how to get good quality fragrance oil from all over the world, wherever you are. Like if you are in South America, you want to do perfume business, we will locate resources in South America. And if it's available in your country, okay, that's fine. If it's not available in your country, we'll get it from other parts of the world. My job is to give a success story to your dream, like what you dream about the perfume business thing, and you don't know the resources and you don't know the tips and tricks of that business. I will teach you and guide you. My service charges are flat. That's what I am telling you. It's now 500 US dollars per client. It's a lifetime service. When you pay me, I provide you the services, like I'll guide you in the procurement thing, in the guidance thing, in the making of perfume things, and establishing a business on small scale, on medium scale, or on large scale. Whatever you want to do, like if you want to open a wholesale setup, I can manage that thing to you in your own country. Now, this is the introduction what I do. I am already dealing lots of clients from all over the world. So that's why my WhatsApp number, which is appearing on the screen, is all time busy. And sometimes I am unable to answer the questions of different people from different countries. So I am sorry for that. But if you feel that I am not answering your questions, you just remind me again and again. I don't bother that thing. So just remind me again and again. WhatsApp again, send something like you didn't answer my question, because there's a lot of people who are contacting me like on daily basis, like 50 to 100 people from different parts of the world contact me, and some of them are like become my clients, and then I have to be busy with them also. So obviously, if I'm busy with from in 12 hours, I am busy in like 8 hours. So people who are sending messages for different parts of the world about that perfumery thing, I may skip that thing. So some people are those people who just want the info, and some are the real genuine clients. So if you are a genuine client, you want to open a business and you are not getting anybody that you can help to you, I am that one that can provide you assistance. My area of operations is not a single country. I can provide assistance in any country. Like if you are on the far side of the earth, I can provide you the assistance. If you are living in the north side, west side, any side of the world, I can provide you the assistance. Now, uh, but I have to spend some time with you, obviously give you the secrets of the industry. These are those secrets no one will tell you. And frankly speaking, if you want to practice that exercise, you will go anywhere in your close vicinity and seek that type of guidance. No one will guide you, and even no one has that knowledge of that perfumery world which we got, alhamdulillah, by the grace of God. And we already have many successful clients all around the world, which are who are getting that type of information and making dollars and making more money. And money, the final aim is to make money. No one is here for joy and excitement. The main thing is you will get the good resources, you will make any product, a good product, people will like that products, and you are going to sell that product and you make money, and you then expand your business. That's the main thing, is to expand the business and make money. Everyone's dream is like that. So my dream is also is like I provide you assistance, a successful assistant, and you pay me. It's a happy ending. Now, one thing I want to tell you, like if you want to start a business, you do some basic homework with you when you come to me. Like you ask me that, okay, Mr. Usman, you will tell us that what type of fragrances are suits me or suits my area or suits our brand. So that's the homework that you need to do yourself, because you are living in your area. You know the vicinity of your area. You know the purchasing power of your area. That how what's the purchasing power of your people living. Like if you are like opening a like a physical outlet, then obviously you must understand that vicinity, that okay, the purchasing power of those people is at how you stand that purchasing power. Are they like can afford expensive perfumes or middle price perfumes or cheap perfumes? So you buy product as per their purchasing power. It's not like that their purchasing power is like $15 or 50 ml perfume, and you are selling their $45 a 50 ml perfume. So it's not a good match. You need to sell them those products which are in their purchasing powers. So first note that thing. And the other thing is, you need to shortlist a little like fragrances. Like you are first initially clear that okay, we are opening a perfume brand. Our aim is to open a perfume business or something like that. So you must have a list of products with you. Like you want to include that perfume, like female perfume, a list of female perfumes, a list of male perfumes, or which categories you want to add. I'll tell you here your just a key to the perfumery is like there are female fragrances, there are male fragrances, and there are fragrances that are unisex in nature, which is used both by male and female. Now this is the main category. Now under that category you can divide it into seasons. Like if there are two seasons in a country, then obviously it's a winter fragrances or summer fragrances. And you must understand one thing, that if you are opening your business in winter, then you obviously introduce with winter fragrances, not with the summer fragrances. Though the summer fragrances can be sold, but you need to introduce those fragrances. If you are opening in a winter season, then you introduce winter fragrances. If you are opening in a summer season, you introduce summer fragrances. Then there are also some other seasons, that spring season and other season, a season of humidity where too much hot weather and humidity is there. So there are different seasons. So the perfumers and these perfumery world, they are making fragrances as per the seasons also. So again, you have to bifurcate that. Okay, you want to keep winter fragrances in this much quantity, and these are the name of those fragrances, and you want to introduce that summer fragrances, and these are the names. Obviously, where you get these names, the good thing is go to a website named fragrantica.com. It's a website which is full of perfumes. Like you put in a search bar there and write a winter perfume. There is a list of winter perfume, summer perfume, and you want to go in deep analysis of a perfume, like it's liked by whom, females or males, and what are the categories, what are the accords, and what are the notes in that perfume. So you can have all that information about that perfume. So just make just shortlist some fragrances, so that at least I know that you are interested. Now, when I encounter with questions that, okay, Usman, do everything for us, you are just wasting my time, because I think that you are not interested in opening a business. You just, I just put my number and you just call me and you just want to enjoy that particular time. So, people, I am a busy person. I really need a serious persons who really want to establish a perfume business. Because like 60% of people who are like just want to know the information, then that's all, just spend some time. So because my habit is, I don't like reject calls. I receive every call and I give proper time. When a person call me for first time, I give him proper time. Now please, now whenever you call me, you must have these things with you in clear in mind, that you want to open a physical shop or you want to open an online business, and then which fragrances you want. Like now the procurement thing is like, it depends upon the working style. If you are a small businessman, obviously you are buying is like below 1 kg per fragrance oil. And if you are big businessman, then obviously your procurement is like 5 to 10 kg per fragrance oil. So and the quality also depend upon the MOQ, minimum order of quantity. So you must understand these things. And now the question, the past experience that I receive a lot, these questions, like what is they ask me, what is the cost of a perfume if I buy a fragrance, like I buy in wholesale, like 5 to 10 kg, and get chemicals and fixatives and mix myself together, and what will be the price of the standard price of that. So the price thing, how to set up a price of a perfume, I'll tell you now. You are if you are doing a physical shop, in physical shop, obviously you are paying the property rent, you are paying the utility bills, you are paying the labor who is working there, and you are also paying, if you are paying government another some taxes of the business. So you must include all those expenditures also in the cost of the perfume. It's not like that the cost of the perfume is like that you just calculate the price of fragrance oil, the chemicals and the fixatives and the bottling and your workforce. It's not the cost of the perfume. The cost of the perfume is to be calculated including that cost, all these costs, the shipment charges, the clearance charges. If you are importing something outside the country, those shipment charges, all those things, and plus the shop rent that you are paying, the utility bills you are paying, other expenditures you are putting on the business. You need to distribute, like multiply the cost, or like multiply that or divide that expenditures on the per perfume cost. Then you are going to calculate the cost of a perfume. It's the cost of the perfume is okay, I'll tell you the definition is the cost of the perfume is the cost, the expenditure which you make on your shop, the regular monthly expenses, plus the cost of fragrance oil, the cost of like fixatives and mixing and the labor, each and everything. So then it becomes the cost that you want to know. So that is different nature. Now the guy who is working at home online thing, so they don't need to pay rent, they don't need to pay any other things, any other taxes, because they are working offline. So in that case the cost is different, but in a physical shop the cost is different. So I'm just clearing the concept, because I know most of the people who are watching my video, they are totally clean and they don't know about the complexities of this perfume business. So if you want to know the complexities of this perfume business, I'm there, but I charge something. There are lots of things, like when you want to open a perfume, you need to get approval or certifications from certain institutes. Like you want to open a perfume business, and you are in Europe and you are in US, so you need to comply the regulations of the particular country. So in that case, there are institutions which provide that type of assistance. So all these things I'll guide you and teach you. Like you want to sell it on Shopify, Amazon, and what are the prerequisites of that, that is a different story. But most of the people think that it's very easy to make a perfume and sell it on Shopify and Amazon, but there are many hurdles in that. If you want to achieve that selling mechanism, it's not an easy piece of a cake. So all these things I'll guide you, where like new persons who are coming into this industry and who want the proper guidance, I can provide you assistance. Like wherever you are, if you are in Australia, if you are in Gulf countries, if you are in Europe, or if you are in like America or Canada and South America, I'll provide you. Or if, even if you are Africa, I have also catered many African clients also. If they are seeing this video, they can comment, and those clients who already taken my services, they are free to comment below, so that the people know that from where they got the assistance. So it's a worldwide assistance. If one thing is not available in your country, I'll arrange it from different parts of the world. So it's not a big thing for me. If you want to open a perfume wholesale business in your particular country, I can get you connected with the good manufacturers, so whose product is of good quality. But obviously it's depend upon your working style, that how are you going to sell these fragrances. Are you going to sell those particular fragrance oil in a standard, like in an undiluted way, or you want to mix thing and reduce the quality and make more money, something like that. So gimmicks are already there in every industry. So you want to know that gimmicks, you want to know the secrets of that industry, I am there. I can provide you all those assistance from anywhere in any country. My service fee, I'll take my service fee in advance, not in parts or not in partials. I'll take in advance, and then after that I am there at your service. Thank you. Bye bye.